Welcome to Science. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Number 1. Click on the question mark. Read the essential questions. These are some questions I want you to ask yourself before and after watching the video. Let's read our learning objective first. We will answer the question, what is science? Essential questions. What is science? Number 2, what is one thing you want to learn in science? Pause the video here and talk to someone by you to answer these questions. Pause now. Welcome back. I hope you had some time to discuss these questions with someone or maybe just think about them in your head. We are going to now click the arrow to go back to watch the first slide to watch the video. Number 2, click the bookcase to learn what science is.
What is Science? By Rebecca Kai Dotlich, illustrated by Sachiko Yoshikawa. What is science? So many things. The study of stars and Saturn's rings. The study of rocks, geoids and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chipped bones. The study of soil, of oil and gas. Of sea and sky, of seed and grass, of wind and hurricanes that blow, volcanoes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and snow. What is science? The study of trees, of butterflies and honeybees, glaciers, geysers, clay and sand, mighty mountains and rolling land, the power of trains, of planes that soar. Science is this and so much more. So, into the earth and into the sky, we question the how, the where, when, and why. We question, we wonder, we hunt, and explore the secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor, the oldest of rivers, the tombs of kings. What is science? So many things.
Thanks for joining.
What is science? So many things. We question the how, the when, the where, and the why. So we're going to go ahead and move on to step number 3. Click on the question mark to see your assignment. Google Classroom assignment. After watching the video, on a piece of paper, draw a picture that shows an example of science. Label the picture. I want you to think about something that you learned from the video. After completing the assignment, take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom assignment. If you want to watch the video again, just rewind this video and you can watch it again. Let's click and look at my example here. This is what I learned what science is, one of the many things. Science is the study of volcanoes. Do you notice here that I wrote my date up at the top right-hand side? I would like for you to make sure to write your date on your work daily. It's very important. So your date up at the top. Then do you also notice, I know I did say to label your picture, but if you can write a complete sentence, I want to see that. You see how I wrote nice and neatly with spaces in between my words? And I wrote a complete sentence. Science is the study of volcanoes. If you will pause your video now and work on your assignment now, when you are done, that's the assignment for today. You can push play to watch the video for Wednesday's assignment. Pause now and work on your assignment. Welcome back. So today is September 9th, 2020. This is the assignment for Wednesday. You do not have to do this on Tuesday. If you're ahead of the game and would like to go ahead and move on to the assignment for Wednesday, then you can go ahead and work on it. So let's start with number 1. Click on the question mark, read the essential questions. These are some questions I want you to ask yourself before and after watching the video. Let's read our essential questions. What do scientists do to be safe? Why should you wear goggles? What do scientists do to be safe? Why should you wear goggles? Pause the video here, discuss this with someone there, or just think about it in your head. Pause now. Okay, welcome back. I hope that you either talked to someone about this or you had some time to just think about it in your head. What do scientists do to be safe, and why should you wear goggles? Let's click the arrow to go back to the first slide to watch the video. Number 2 says click the science safety poster to learn about science safety. Today we are going to learn about science safety. Let's read Science Safety Rules by Kelly Hicks. Do you want to be a scientist? Scientists follow rules to stay safe. Rule number 1, listen and follow the directions. Rule number 2, wash your hands before you begin. Rule number 3, wear goggles to cover your eyes. Rule number 4, use your eyes and ears, but never taste or smell. Rule number 5, treat all animals in the lab with care. Rule number 6, always walk in the lab. Rule number 7, clean up your area. Follow the safety rules and you can be a scientist too. Show what you know. How do you show you care about an animal? Why should you wear goggles? What would happen if you ran in the science lab? Animals. Animals are any living creatures that breathe and move about. Ears. Ears are the parts of the body used to hear. Goggles. Goggles are special glasses that fit tightly around your eyes to protect them. Hands. Hands are the body parts on the end of your arms. Lab. Short for laboratory. A lab is a room or building that has special equipment for science experiments. Scientist. A scientist is a person who does tests to learn about our world. This is called an index. An index is used so that you can quickly go to a page. If you want to learn about goggles, right here it says goggles, and this is the page number. If I want to learn more about the rules, then I could go to page 4, or I can go to page 20. Thank you for taking time today to learn with me about science safety. If you want to read again and learn some more, you can restart this video. You can even pause on pages. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let's move on to number 3. Click on the question mark to see your assignment. Google Classroom assignment. After watching the video, pick one way you can be safe in science. On a piece of paper, draw a picture that shows this. Label the picture. Don't forget to write the date on the top of your paper. Don't forget to take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom assignment. Let's look at an example of what your work might look like. Right here, this is mine. If you notice the date, I labeled goggles, and I wrote a complete sentence. I can wear goggles to be safe in science. Notice I used my neatest handwriting, spacing between my words. Pause here now to work on this assignment. Hit pause. Welcome back. We are now on Thursday's assignment. Again, you do not have to work on this until Thursday. If you want to continue to work on your science activities, you may, but this is not required. You can wait until Thursday to do this assignment. So the assignment on this is after watching the video on science safety, you're going to pick a science safety rule and create a poster on a piece of paper. Take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom assignment. Here's my poster. I chose to protect my eyes and wear goggles. The rule is to wear goggles. And I created a poster just on a piece of paper. It could be on a piece of notebook paper, construction paper, any type of paper you have at home. Pick one rule and create a poster for this. Now, if you want to watch the safety video again, you can simply just rewind and go back to the part of the video that shows the safety, science safety video. Pause here and work on your assignment. Okay, welcome back. Today is Friday. Now you do not have to work on this assignment until Friday. Let's read the learning objective. We will learn what science tools are and how they are used. Let's read the vocabulary words. Hand lens, ruler, scale, tools, beaker, microscope, goggles. What are science tools? What science tools do scientists use? You are going to go into your Friday Google assignment and click on the Science Tools book. You're going to listen to the book be read to you. You're going to pick one science tool and draw a picture of you using that tool. Take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom assignment. You may see an example of what this might look like in your Google Classroom assignment. Pause the video here to work on your assignment. Remember, you must go back to your Google Classroom assignment, watch and listen to the book on science tools. You can look at the example shown there, and then you take a picture of you using a science tool. You may go ahead and begin.